Let's set the record straight. Being high maintenance, it's not a bad thing. In fact, it's your superpower. But let's be clear, being high maintenance doesn't mean demanding a Chanel bag or having someone else fund your lifestyle. That's entitlement, not maintenance. True high maintenance starts with you. It's about taking responsibility for your mental, physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. A high maintenance woman invests in herself because she knows she's worth it. She sets standards, not just for others, but for how she shows up in the world every single day. In a world that often glorifies laziness and labels femininity as weakness, being a high-maintenance woman is a rebellion. When you maintain yourself, your body, your mind, your hygiene, your class, you're doing something radical. You're saying, I won't let the chaos of the world dictate how I carry myself. And that is strength. Here's the thing, how you maintain yourself isn't just about you. It's a reflection of the respect you have for your partner, your family, and those around you. A high-maintenance woman doesn't show up messy and expect to be treated like a queen. She embodies queen energy because she puts in the effort every single day. And let me say this loud and clear. Being high maintenance is not about being high cost. If your version of high maintenance is begging for designer bags and expensive trips, that's entitlement and selfishness. True high maintenance isn't about what you demand. It's about what you cultivate. Being high maintenance means staying in tune with yourself. It's about knowing when your energy is off and taking steps to reset. It's about being disciplined enough to care for your body and mind, even on days when no one's watching. It's about cultivating self-respect so deeply that it naturally demands respect from others. But here's the truth. Being a high-maintenance woman is not easy. It's a daily battle. Society wants you to let yourself go, to believe that self-care is selfish, that femininity is outdated, and that being high maintenance makes you too much. But you know what? Let them talk. While they're stuck in mediocrity, you're glowing, growing, and setting the standard for what a woman should be. So to every woman out there fighting to protect her energy, be unapologetically high maintenance. Take care of yourself like your future depends on it, because it does. Set your standards so high that only those who truly respect you can reach them. And remember, your effort isn't just for you. It's a reflection of the goddess within and the honor you bring to the people you love. Being a high-maintenance woman isn't a weakness. It's your greatest strength. So, are you ready to step into your power? Comment below. What does being a high-maintenance woman mean to you? Let's redefine the standard.